Hello po! Welcome to Westwood Heights, Batangas, ang future home ninyo na perfect combination ng comfort, convenience, at nature living. Imagine, araw-araw gumigising ka na fresh ang hangin, tahimik ang paligid, at modern homes ang nakapaligid sa inyo. Dito sa Westwood Heights, makukuha nyo ang balance ng city convenience at relaxing suburban lifestyle. Malapit sa lahat ng kailangan ninyo, schools, markets, shopping centers, at major roads. Kaya kung nagtatrabaho ka man sa city o dito sa Batangas lang, you'll always feel connected and at home. Isipin mo, bonding with your kids sa spacious living areas, sabay-sabay kumakain sa dining space, at nagkakaroon ng memories that last a lifetime. Ang bawat bahay dito, designed with your family's comfort and happiness in mind. At ang pinaka-good news, owning your dream home is easier than you think. With flexible payment terms at accessible financing options, mas mapapabilis ang paglipat ninyo. Sa Westwood Heights, Batangas, hindi lang bahay ang nakukuha mo. You become part of a vibrant community kung saan ang kapitbahay ay nagiging kaibigan at bawat sulok ay may purpose at care. Kaya kung naghihintay ka ng right time at right place, eto na yon, a home where you can live, grow, and build your future kasama ang mahal mo sa buhay. Tara na at huwag nang palampasin! Schedule a free site viewing today at Westwood Heights, Batangas para makita mo mismo ang ganda at potential ng magiging future home mo.